how are you all? A very warm welcome everybody. Welcome to yet another धमाकेदार, फर्राटेदार and मजेदार session by Vedantu Young Wonders and your host, your dost and a proud master teacher Pritesh Joshi from Vedantu. So welcome to the session guys. Hope you guys are doing absolutely amazing and safe and sound, and so are everyone around you. I hope all the adults in your family and in your neighborhood are vaccinated against the COVID-19. I hope all of them have taken the vaccine, and if not, please urge them to do so. So welcome to the session guys, and today we are learning about cell structure and function. The session number 3, but today we are continuing to learn about cell parts, right? The parts of the cell and the different organelles that are present in the cell. So guys, before we move ahead, it is very important that you know me and you know that from whom are you learning, with whom are you spending every week almost 4 hours of your life, and that is me, Pritesh Joshi, a proud Vedan from Vedantu. So guys, all the information about me, what I have done, what I have learned, how long that I have been teaching, and etc. is all there on the screen. But apart from that, what is not there on the screen is that I ate moong dal and rice and a bit of karele ka sabzi and roti for my lunch. And what is not there on the screen is that what I am going to eat for lunch. So for my lunch also I've got rice, because I in my house, in my family, we tend to eat something of rice in the dinner. So either it will be a khichdi, or it will be a masala bhat, or it will be dal rice, or it will be some kind of a pulao. So we basically tend to keep the dinners more on rice side, and the lunch are usually a combination of roti and rice both. And I want to know from you, what are you going to eat for your dinner? So let me know in the comment section, what are you going to have in your dinner, or if you have already had your dinner, please tell me what did you eat for your dinner, right? And then we can have a discussion about it, right? Sounds good? Sounds a bit tasty. Yeah, so we should do something different in the class. Apart from that guys, today we'll be learning about the chemical treasure, that is the cytoplasm of the cell and also the nucleus. Now a lot of students, now whether it is the regular class that I take on the Vedantu's amazing platform Wave, or on YouTube, or whether I'm taking a master class, many times students are not clear with the basics. That I've noticed over the period of time, that the basics of the kids are not clear. Like if I tell you the word cytoplasm, the word cytoplasm is made up of 2 words over here. It is made up of 2 words, that is cytos, and the word cytos means cell. The word cytos means cell, and the word plasm is liquid, right? So like we have got the blood plasma, which is the liquid part of the blood. So the cytoplasm means the liquid part of the cell. Is it that difficult? Is it that difficult? But yet when I ask a question on cytoplasm, students are not able to answer. Why? Because the basics are not clear. So in today's class, we'll be looking at the basics of cytoplasm and the nucleus, which is the brain or the cytoplasm of the cell, right? So on that happy, inquisitive, intriguing note, one very important question guys. Did you watch yesterday's Mars session? Did you watch the session with this thumbnail? Did you watch it? Let's meet the boy from Mars. It was an amazing session guys. It was a fantabulous session. If you haven't watched it yet, please go and watch it on Let's Meet the Boy from Mars. It's amazing. It's truly mind-blowing. Apart from that guys, they say that whoever is happy will make others happy. And that's why always I say, so I've got a mantra for life. I've got a very beautiful and a very easy mantra for life. And that mantra is value yourself, pamper yourself, and respect yourself. I always tell everybody out there, do these 3 things: value your own self, pamper your own self, and respect your own self. Only when you do these 3, everyone around you will do the same to you. Only when you are happy, only when you are satisfied, when you are positive with yourself, only then you'll be able to make others positive. Only then you'll be able to make others happy. Only then you'll be able to satisfy others, when you are satisfied with yourself. So whoever I am, whoever I am, no matter in what conditions I am living, no matter in what economic conditions I am living, no matter what is my current health status, no matter what is my current family status, no matter what is my current living conditions, I am here for a reason, and that reason is really, 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 really very, very powerful, right? So tell yourself, no matter where I am here for a reason, and I'm grateful to the universe to put me in these circumstances, because I know I'm here for a reason, and that reason is very, very big, and I'm going to achieve it. So I'm happy, I'm contented, I am positive, I am powerful, right? So on that note, let us begin the answer to the riddle. So last week we had a riddle that I'm not really more than holes tied to more holes. I'm strong as good as steel, through not as stiff as pole. So we have got Ashish, Sabu, Sanket Baste, Vishwaja, Kanchan Yadav and Kushagra Verma who have given me the answer, that the answer was steel chain. Again, we are going to have a riddle at the end of the class, so stay tuned till the end. And also I'm going to give you a super important information about something that is coming up. So two things, riddle and information is coming, so stay tuned, and you need to tell me in the comment section, what did you have for dinner? I want to know. The nation wants to know. आपने आज खाने में क्या खाया? Right? या आप क्या खाने वाले हो? So do let me know, guys. With that, do not forget to give this video a big fat thumbs up. Right? So we do deserve it, right? So just like we show you the leaderboard after the Menti, we show you the leaderboard in the regular classes, just like we reward you, your likes, your subscription, your comments are our rewards. So do not forget to like the video. It is super important that you do that. Apart from that, do subscribe to the channel because it's absolutely free, and comment in the comment section that what do you think about the riddle's answer which you'll be giving, about what did you have for dinner, and about how are you feeling about Vedanta and wonders, and especially me, right? Chalo. So on that happy note, let's start learning about the cell membrane, right? So different components of a cell are enclosed by a structure called the cell membrane or the plasma membrane. It gives the shape to the cell. Now there is a very important term over here called membrane biogenesis. It is called membrane biogenesis, right? Do you guys know about this term? Do you guys know about this term? Membrane biogenesis. Membrane biogenesis is the formation of the cell membrane. It is the formation of the cell membrane by the fats and the proteins. So the cell membrane is made up of fats and proteins. These fats in the cell membrane come from the smooth endoplasmic reticulum, and the proteins in the proteins come from the rough endoplasmic reticulum. And this is called membrane biogenesis, which is the formation of the cell membrane with the fats and the proteins. Fats comes from the smooth endoplasmic reticulum and proteins come from the rough endoplasmic reticulum. Okay? It is membrane biogenesis. Membrane as in layer, biogenesis is the formation. Okay? So cell membrane is semi-permeable. It's a semi-permeable layer. It is also called as the gatekeeper of the cell. Now, the cell membrane separates the cell from one another and also the cell from the surrounding medium. It is made up of proteins and lipids, and it is semi-permeable. It is semi-permeable. And when I talk about the cell wall in plant cells is made up of cellulose. Okay? Now when I talk about the cell wall, so the cell wall in plants is made up of cellulose, right? In fungi, where do I write? In fungi, the cell wall is made up of chitin. In bacteria, my cell wall is made up of peptidoglycan, and in sclerenchyma is a plant tissue. In that, the cell wall is made up of lignin. So the cell wall can be made up of multiple structures. The cell wall can be made up of different things. In plants, the cell wall is made up of cellulose. In fungi, it is made up of chitin. In bacteria, it is made up of peptidoglycan. In sclerenchyma, it is made up of lignin. Cell wall can be made up of different components. The most important part that you need to remember is that cell wall is not present in animal cells. Cell wall is not present in animal cells. It is only and only present in plants, in certain bacteria, in fungi, as well as in different parts of the plant, that is the sclerenchyma. Right? Now, very important thing also that you need to know is the difference between eukaryote and prokaryote. So if you see over here, the prokaryote doesn't have a well-defined nucleus. You can see over here, there is a thing called nucleus. There is a thing called nucleus, membrane enclosed nucleus. And here there is nucleolus. What is the difference? Please listen to me very carefully. In prokaryotes, again let us learn the basics. Pro matlab primitive. Pro matlab primitive. Karyos mane nucleus. The ones with a primitive nucleus. The ones with a primitive nucleus, that is bacteria. So one very good thing for you is that there are only two examples of prokaryotic cells. There are only two examples of prokaryotic cells, that is bacteria and blue-green algae. That is bacteria and blue-green algae. Blue-green algae is also called as cyanobacteria. These are the only two examples of prokaryotic cells. Your prokaryotic cells do not have a nucleus. They have the entire nuclear material suspended in its cytoplasm called nuclei. Whereas your eukaryotic cells, which means all the other cells have a well-defined nucleus and a nuclear membrane, right? Your plant cells, animal cells, amoeba, paramecium, all of them have got a well-defined nucleus and a nuclear membrane, but your prokaryotic cells do not have a nucleus or a nuclear membrane. Okay? And examples are only two, your bacteria and cyanobacteria. Okay? Chalo. With that, let's move ahead and talk about the cytoplasm. The cytoplasm is the chemical wealth of the cell. It is called as the chemical wealth of the cell because all the chemical reactions take place in the cytoplasm. It is a jelly-like substance which has all the cell organelles suspended in it. Imagine a big bowl of garma garam kheer or porridge. You know garma garam kheer, and in that kheer your mom has put almonds and kesar suspended in the kheer. Similarly, in cytoplasm, the cell organelles are suspended. So cytoplasm is the liquid part, it's the jelly-like substance. It has got different parts of the cell suspended in it. In the plant cell or the animal cell, both you will find the cytoplasm. Okay? And when I talk about the nucleus is the brain of the cell. It is called as the brain of the cell. And the structure of a nucleus is that nucleus has a double membrane. It has got a double membrane. Okay? Right? It is porous. It has got a liquid in it. And it has got a central nucleolus. Okay? So this is the double membrane. Okay? These are the pores. This liquid is the nucleoplasm, and this is the nucleolus. Okay? Inside my nucleolus, proteins are made. In the nucleoplasm, there are chromosomes. There are chromosomes in the nucleoplasm which are responsible for carrying of the hereditary characters. So that is inside my nucleoplasm. Right? So that is my nucleolus with a double membrane. membrane. ठीक है? Now guys, let me tell you. See, I told you today so many things. I told you that the fats and the proteins of which my cell membrane is made. That process is called membrane biogenesis. And the protein which is used to make my cell membrane comes from the rough endoplasmic reticulum, and the lipids or the fats come from the smooth endoplasmic reticulum. That is not a part of your syllabus. Still you learnt it. Why? It is a kind of preparation for your Olympiads. You learn more than what is there in the boundaries of your textbook. You become smarter. You start to think more analytically. You start to think more logically. And that is what I want you guys to inculcate within yourself. That is analytical thinking, logical reasoning, going to the root. Nucleoplasm. Nucleo is nucleolus. Plasm is the liquid part. Nucleoplasm is the liquid part of the nucleus. Wow. That is called thinking logically. That is called thinking by the basics. It's very important that you guys clear your basics, and that you can if you join the Olympiad classes. Okay? The Vedantu's fast track Olympiad courses with ease, where you get to learn and you get to compete on the national and the international level. Apart from that, you get to sharpen your analytical skills, you can sharpen your capabilities, you can sharpen your abilities, you get a national and an international level of exposure. Doesn't matter whether you crack the Olympiad or you do not. I'm sure you will crack when you are with Vedantu. What is important is that you get the experience. What is important is that you take the experience of preparing for an Olympiad, because it definitely prepares you more than your textbook. And when you are preparing for an Olympiad, already your textbook syllabus is getting covered in that. So it is 2 in 1. एक तीर से दो निशाने. ये दिल मांगे और क्या more, right? So guys, you can join the Vedantu's fast track Olympiad courses, which helps you to prepare on the live classes, as well as you get the preparation for NSO, IMO, UIMO, NSTSC, IOQM, IOM, IOS, and everything, and a lot more. Preparation for all the Olympiad exams at a very, 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 very nominal cost. Trust me, it is very, very nominal. Right? So for your grade 8, we have got the mathematics and the NTSE Head Start batch for just rupees 2700. In just rupees 2700, you can prepare for the entire Olympiad exams. For all the Olympiad exams, you can prepare for rupees 2700, but actually the cost is rupees 3000 if you put PRPRO as your code. Once you put PRPRO as your code, then your cost becomes 2700. So this is super important, right? This you can use for your Olympiads, and you can also use if you want to join the Vedantu's regular classes, right? Even for your regular classes, you can use it. This code will help you in both. This code will help you in both, and you will get a flat 10% discount. So even if any of your friends wants to join Vedantu, you can share this code with them, and all of them can use it, get an additional 10% off, and join Vedantu, because Vedantu's only motive is that every child should learn. Every child should learn, every child should have fun, right? Because समझ आएगा तभी तो मजा आएगा, and मजा आएगा तभी तो समझ आएगा, right? On that note, let us start the Menti. Ready for the Menti? Ready for the Menti? Tell me yes or no. Ready for the Menti? Ready for the Menti? Tell me yes or no. Quick, very quick. Do not forget to give it a like. Let me see the number of likes that I am getting. Let me see the number of likes that I am getting. Chromatin and chromosome. Very good doubt. Now your chromatin only becomes chromosome. Chromatin only becomes chromosome when they condense. The chromatin becomes chromosome when they condense. ठीक है? चलो. Thank you so much Divyansh. God bless you dearest. Thank you so much. God bless you. चलो. So guys, like भी देना है and yes भी लिखना है. Like भी देना है and yes भी लिखना है. You need to give the video a like as well as write yes in the chat. ठीक है? चलो, let us see the Menti code. So guys, if you want to learn, you can go to courses.vedantu.com/VOS courses and use PRPRO as the code, and this is your Menti code 54434858. 54434858. ठीक है? Quickly join the Menti guys. Quick, very quick. Quickly join the Menti. Come on. Come on, thank you so much Anshu. That's really nice. ठीक है? चलो. Bhargavi, doesn't matter, I am an Indian, so are you. DNA is in the nucleoplasm. In the when the chromatin condenses, it makes chromosome. The chromosomes have a DNA. A part of the DNA is the gene. Jaya Maharshi. Hi sir, I'm Naman. Okay, hi Naman. You're from Xavier's Jaipur. Wow, 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 wow. That's amazing. Hi Naman, it's so good to have you from the beautiful, beautiful pink city of Jaipur. It's a beautiful city, and I really miss the Pani Puri of Jaipur. I really want to, visit the city again. I have visited it once. I want to go there again. Hello Satyajit. Hi Rishikesh. Hi, hello, 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 hello. Great Riddhi, thank you so much. Hello Cartoon Plus Amish. Hi Amish, Akshaya. Hello Anshika Rai. Chavi, no problem, it's okay. Anshika answered, I answered, doesn't matter. You got your answer, that is very important. ठीक है? चलो, high five, dearest Kushagra. I saw your name in the comments. Hello Aradhna. So guys, please do not forget to comment and like. It's very important. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Chalo, you saw the session of Boy From Us. That's great. Hi Divyangi. Thank you so much, Devo. God bless you always. Thank you so much. Hello Kokel. Hello, that's a beautiful name. Hi Ganesh. Hello Astha. Satvik. Chalo, let us see the Menti. And let me see how many of you have joined. Only 165. Where are the others? Oh, you're from Delhi. Who is this? Someone Kaur. Liv Kaur's dream word is from Delhi, the heart of the city. Hello Rohit Malhotra from Patna. Hello Divyangni, Tyagi, Rohit Akshay, Suresh, Karthik, Anshu Verma, Geetha. Thank you Rohini, God bless you dearest Pratiksha, Minchana Gowda, Hyderabadi biryani. I'm a vegetarian. Right? You are from Pune. That's nice. Riya Kutun, Punyat Kutun. Chalo, hi VIP brothers. That's really nice, Nitika, that you liked it. You're from Himachal Pradesh, Astha. That's so beautiful. The apples. I've been to Shimla in Himachal Pradesh. I've been once. Yeah, I've been once. I've been to Mussoorie twice. Hi Lucknow. Okay. Hi Simran Kaur from Lucknow. Shri Valsa. Okay, that's really nice. Hi Rita Saha from Kolkata. Keman Achen. Hello Jyotish Emmanuel from Oman. Wow, that's beautiful. Okay, that's really nice. BTS, yes, I do like all the artists in the world, whether they are singing, dancing, performing, anything. I have great respect for all the artists. Hi Shivani Chaturvedi. Code study. The code is 54434858. 54434858. ठीक है? You're from Haryana. Chalo, very nice. Chalo, so let's start the Menti. Okay, Srinagar, London. No, left to London as well. Oh yeah. Chalo. So I really like the way Britishers speak. So I watched this two series on Netflix. One is The Crown, which is based on the life of Queen Elizabeth, and one is Downton Abbey. And they say Papa and Mama. So I really like the way Britishers talk. Their English it's quite it comes from the it's quite blowy. So they blow a lot of air with it. Papa, Mama. Okay, so they talk like that. It's quite interesting the way Britishers talk. So I really like to study the different cultures and the way different people their culture and the way they talk, their dialect and their the way what they wear and what they eat. So it was quite nice. It was quite interesting. Anyway, so moving on to the first question. So here are the beautiful, wonderful, amazing, colorful characters of the Menti. You all are all set, and I've got more than 200 students. That's amazingly rocking. Chal. So let us start the Menti. Menti. So semi-permeable verb, it means it only allows certain materials to go in and out. Fundamental unit of life, super easy, 6th standard question. Verb answering your question that I will, Anshika, very soon. Hi Param, long time Param, kaise ho? Chalo. So verb answering your question, semi-permeable means it only allows certain materials to go in and out of the cell. It will not allow everything to go in and out. Okay? The functional unit of life is cell, egg, nucleus or none of these. It's a super easy peasy Japanesey question. तो इसका जवाब आपको जल्दी से देना है. Hi Vijay from Srinagar. No, Pratiksha from Srinagar. That's amazing. Wow. More than 80% of the class is right. Amazing. The answer is cell. Cell is the fundamental unit of life. It is the structural and functional unit of life. Cells arise from pre-existing cells. All cells are made, all living beings are made of cells. These are the postulates of the cell theory given by Schleiden, Schwann and Virchow. ठीक है? चलो. 1838, 39 and 55. So let us look at the super board with the superstars. So Puggy, Brinda, Maverick, Carl Gustav, Metal, Thomas, E.T., Mars, Shami and Rashi. Puggy, you're the fastest. That's amazing. Right? That's amazing. Hi Shreyasi, welcome to the session. Yes, Param. हम एकदम बढ़िया, एकदम बढ़िया. So nice to have you back. ठीक है, चलो. Thank you so much, Avantika. Love you too, dearest. Lollipop question. A cell without organized nucleus is called a dash. Yes, guys, I forgot. Every question we were associating with a food. So, what is a cell without a nucleus called? Without a well-defined nucleus? Prokaryotic, eukaryotic, virus, or none of the above. जिसका example है example है bacteria and cyanobacteria. चलो. Quick. Very soon, Manyata. Very soon. Welcome, Sanskriti. Welcome to this session. So happy to have you. Right? Chalo. So 180 students are correct. Prokaryotic. Pro means primitive or primary, and karyos matlab nucleus. The one with the primary kind of nucleus, which is not well defined. It is open. Right? That is called a prokaryotic cell. Example, only two examples, bacteria and cyanobacteria. ठीक है, चलो. With that we go to the super board with the superstars. So the superstars for this question are Pritesh Kumar, क्या बात है, Brinda, Maverick Metal, Naman, Bijita Bhaumik, Charvi, Sandeep, Aditya Verma and Bhagyaraj. So Sandeep and Aditya, high five, fist five. How are you, bro? So I hope you guys are rocking, right? Both Aditya and Naman, no, Aditya and Sandeep. So I hope you guys are rocking. And Pritesh Kumar. So usually, there's a tradition in India that the son-in-law, the son-in-law is usually called by Pritesh Kumar. So, but my in-laws, we have a very close-knit bond. They are just to me like my parents. So we have a very casual and a very loving bond. So they don't call me Pritesh Kumar, but they just call me Pritesh, and I love that. I absolutely love that. Right? But thank you so much, whoever is, if there is someone by the name of Pritesh Kumar, hey, hello, I'm so happy to meet you. And if somebody has called me Pritesh Kumar, thank you so much. Thank you. Okay, chalo. So moving on to the question number 3, which is absolutely free and amazing. Question number 3 on your screen. Come on, show some spirit. Come on. Happiest birthday, Avantika. God bless you, dearest. Happiest birthday. Dash gives a shape to the cell. The shape is given by the nucleus, cell membrane, cell wall, or none of these. Very easy peasy, Japanese. Evangela, yes. Obviously, I remember you, Evangela. So very vividly, I remember you. Chalo, very good. Okay, the code is 54434858. 54434858. Come on. Quick. Thank you so much, Bhanu Priya. That's so nice of you. Thank you so much. God bless you, dearest. Always rise and shine. ठीक है, चलो. 160 of you are correct. The shape is given by the cell membrane, and in a plant cell, the rigidity of the cell is maintained by the cell wall. Because we know that cell wall is only present in plant, bacteria, fungi. It is not present in animal. ठीक है? So we look at the super board with the superstars. The cell membrane, which is semi-permeable. We have got Jaival Mehta from 8F, Charvi, Bhagyaraj, Aditya Verma, Sandeep, Twisha, Archana, Priyanshi and Anshika, your little studo. Yes, studo, Anshika. So good to have you on the leaderboard. Now guys, I call you all studos. Studos ka matlab hai, it's a combination of two words. Let's go to the basics. Studo. The word stud means student and do means kiddo. Studo is student plus kiddo. Studo. Yo studos, how are you? Chalo. So I want all of you to, tell me what should we dedicate the next question to. So we dedicate every question to a food item. So tell me what should be the question number 4 dedicated to. You can have a samosa or a pani puri or a kachori or a momo or anything or a pav bhaji. Tell me what should we dedicate. Thank you so much, Avantika. What should we dedicate the 4th question to? 4th question, momos. Okay, Anshika, you say momos. Many of you are saying biryani, pizza, upma, pani puri, lollipop, biryani, kimchi. Kimchi क्या होता है? Paneer. यार. Why did you talk about paneer? It's been so long I've eaten paneer. Chalo, let us have the 4th paneer question. Question number fantastic 4, the paneer question. The paneer, paneer tikka masala, paneer, yum. The control center of all the activities of a cell. Who is the brain of the cell? Nucleus, nucleoplasm, cytoplasm or organelles. Who is the paneer of the cell? The most favorite part or the brain of the cell. Who is the paneer? Ice cream, yes. I'm feeling like eating raspberry dolly since today afternoon. So I was just teaching something about raspberry in the class, and I suddenly remembered this raspberry dolly, which has got a raspberry outer covering and the vanilla from inside. And I love eating that candy. I love eating candies, whether it is an orange candy or any other thing. So I'm thinking of eating a raspberry dolly today. Let's see. Right? So more than 200 students are correct. The answer is nucleus, which is the brain of the cell. It controls all the activities, having two membranes, and these are the super kids. Chalo. Jaival Mehta, Bhagyaraj, Charvi, Aditya, Twisha, Bharat, Priyanshi, Vidisha, M. Suhas, and Sakshi. Jaival, you are the fastest. That's amazing. We have a tie apple pie between Charvi and Aditya, and we also have a tie between Priyanshi and Vidisha. Okay? Chalo. So, next question, to which food? Choco lava cake. Okay, chalo, great. Okay, so the choco lava cake question famous 5. The choco lava cake question famous 5. So the choco lava cake from Domino's, and this question is dedicated to that choco lava cake. So cell wall is found in only plants, only animals, both are none. Easy peasy Japanesey. Very very easy. Hi यशस्वी, हेलो यशस्वी बच्चा, कैसे हो, क्या चल रहा है, पढ़ाई चल रही है, नहीं चल रही है, दौड़ रही है, नहीं दौड़ रही है, जल्दी बताओ. Thank you so much Akshita, God bless you dearest. Come on. Come on. Okay, so the answer is cell wall, which is made up of cellulose in plants, peptidoglycan in bacteria, chitin in fungi, is present in plant cells only and not in animals. It is something that gives rigidity to the cells. It's super important question, and with that we see the super board and the secret superstar of the quiz. So Jaival, Bhagyaraj, Aditya, Charvi, Bharat, Vidisha, Priyanshi, Maitri, Nilakshi, and Archana TN. Jaival, you are the fastest and also the winner of the Menti. Congratulations! Congratulations and celebrations. And Jaival, you are the winner of Menti. Amazing, awesome. That's great, Yashasvi, बहुत बढ़िया. Man, अरे वाह, Shiteja, you remember, so sweet of you, Shiteja. So मेरा Monday and Monday both have been amazing. Monday तो thanks to you guys. मतलब I look forward to Monday evening because I know कि मेरा Monday कैसा भी गया हो, मेरा Monday evening is going to be amazing because of you. So thank you so much, thank you guys for giving so much of love and for bringing smile to me. So you guys are a reason for my smiles on a Monday evening. So thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. My choicest wishes and blessings to all of you. And you also need to give me some more smiles by giving the sessions a big fat thumbs up and answering this riddle that I am taken from a mine and I shut up in a wooden case from which I am never released, and yet I am used by almost every day. What am I? So something that is in a wooden case which is never released but yet it is used every day. What is the answer? Tell me the answer of the riddle in the comment section below, right? And do not forget to give this video a big fat thumbs up. Yes, give this video a big fat thumbs up and tell me in the comment section what did you eat for your dinner or what are you going to eat for your dinner. Please don't say paneer. Please. I want to eat paneer. And guys, do answer the riddle in the comment section. Subscribe to the channel. It's absolutely free, of course. And yes, please think about joining the Olympiad classes. It's really worth it. It is absolutely worth it. So just go to www.vedantu.com/VOS courses, where you can join the Olympiad courses for just rupees 2,700 by using PRPRO. So bro, right? Thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll be seeing you again on Wednesday at 7 o'clock. Until we meet next, take care of yourself. Stay healthy, stay happy, stay blessed. Have a great time. God bless you. Good night.